Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making shrimp pressed sushi. This video is dedicated to one of my dearest viewers, Joann. She has been watching my video from the very first and giving me comments and suggestions all the time. Her mother is Japanese and passed away recently. I am so sorry for your loss, Joann. And Joann said they had a good time with her mother talking about my Japanese cooking video in the last days. Her mother loved shrimp and sushi, so I made a very special recipe. Let's get started cooking for her mother. First, let's prepare easy sushi vinegar. If possible, prepare a day ahead. Put all the ingredients in a bottle, then shake well to dissolve the sugar and salt. Kombu goes into the bottle and steeps the umami. Alternatively, you can add powdered kombu kelp called kombucha. Sprinkle a generous amount of salt to shrimp and rub to remove any unpleasant smells. Rinse under the running water. Insert the skewer to swimlets to prevent curling when it cooked. Place shrimp in frying pan. Sprinkle sake over it. Turn the heat to medium, then put the lid on. When it comes to a simmer, turn off the heat. Leave it until it comes to room temperature so that the shrimp cooked through. Mix well until evenly distributed. Heat the pot over medium heat, add the oil and swirl the pot to cover the surface. Here comes the fun part. Take 4 chopsticks. Pour the egg mixture, then stir constantly with 4 chopsticks until the egg forms coarse crumb. When the shrimp comes to a room temperature, let's continue preparing it. Take off the skewer, rotating it. Remove the swimlets, then take off the shell from the head side. When the shell is off to the tail, pull out the tail. Continue shelling until done. Make a slit from the swimlet side, then carefully open, taking care not to cut through. If there is a vein, remove carefully with the tip of a knife or a wash under the running water. Line the shrimp onto a tray in a single layer and drizzle a small amount of sushi vinegar over it to make it taste better. Next, let's mince the sesame leaves for sushi rice. We tend to add some aromatics to the rice for pressed sushi to make it even better. Put the hot steamed rice into a bowl, drizzle sushi vinegar over it. Mix with your rice paddle or spatula until evenly distributed in a cutting motion. Last but not least, add sesame seed and minced sesame leaves and mix. The ingredients are all set. Let's assemble. Take out pound cake tin. Line a piece of plastic wrap, then line a piece of parchment paper for easy handling. The pressed sushi, the bottom comes to the top. Line the shrimp upside down, no space in between. In goes the sushi rice. When it comes to just before half in height, place another piece of plastic wrap on top, then flatten the surface with another pound cake tin. Press to stick each other. Don't press too hard, otherwise your sushi becomes too hard, and if you don't press enough, your sushi will collapse when you cut it. If you don't have two same size tin, you can use cardboard or even fork will work fine. Fill with sushi rice. Then press for the last time. Flip it over to a plate, then take off the mold. The moment of truth. This is what we are looking for. Now make bowl sushi with the leftover. Make a ping-pong size sushi bowl, then wrap it around the shrimp. Place a tablespoon of egg soboro on the plastic wrap, then put the sushi bowl on top. Squeeze and put the ingredients together. Cut the pressed sushi, dampen the knife with each cutting. Transfer to a serving dish and it's ready to enjoy. I'd like to serve with miso soup. I think this is durable recipe for wherever you live. I am so excited to announce that my store on Amazon, Kitchen Princess Bamboo, the store is available now. I had been repeatedly asked about what I am using, and this is it. Here you will know what items and tools that I am using in the video. We can save our time to search items on the internet thanks to Amazon. The store is still under construction, but I am pretty much sure you will see what you need for Japanese cooking. Moreover, the best part is you can make your own shopping list from here before going to your local store. Thank you for continuous support on my channel. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!